Setbacks are setups for your next level. We all hit moments when life knocks us down, plans fail, opportunities fade, people disappoint. But resilience isn't about avoiding setbacks. It's about learning how to rise stronger from them. The first step is resilience, your ability to recover and keep going. Start small, focus on your routines, take care of your body, and reconnect with your purpose. Every small action, a workout, a walk, a single task, rebuilds your confidence. Remember, resilience isn't instant strength, it's consistent effort. The second step is perspective. Instead of asking, "Why me?" try asking, "What can I learn from this?" Every setback carries lessons about timing, boundaries, or growth. When you shift from blame to learning, your setback becomes a stepping stone. The third step is taking forward steps, even if they're small. Start again with what you can control today. Momentum rebuilds motivation. The goal isn't to erase the past. It's to prove to yourself that you can keep moving no matter what. Every setback holds a hidden setup for growth, wisdom, and strength. Rebuild your resilience, shift your perspective, and take consistent forward steps. Because bouncing back isn't about going back. It's about rising higher than before. If this message resonated with you, give this video a like and subscribe for more content on building a stronger you. Thank you for watching.